Hi, my name is Tanya, and I've been in the MUN world for over 2 years now. And it's disheartening to say that it's definitely not the same as it was before. MUN before it stood for a cause, it stood for a reason to change the world around us. It brought different people together from different backgrounds who had a different set of experiences, who would bring their opinions on the table, debate, and leave us with new experiences, new ways of thinking, and new things that we didn't even know existed. I miss that MUN that would leave me feeling relaxed, that would leave me feeling refreshed, that would get me thinking, like, oh my God, this also exists. I never knew this. I really miss learning new things from MUN. But over the past year, MUN has really changed. It's all about who wins the best delegate. It's all about who impresses the chairs the most. It's all about who has connections and who can get anywhere with, their connections. It's never about making a change anymore. It's never about understanding other people's perspectives. It's all about shouting who can say the most creative, witty, insults to other people in committee in order to get points, in order to again win best delegate. No one really understands anymore, I feel, what is the real point of MUN. I feel that we've all been blinded by these, making our profiles bigger. Initially, I started MUN because I wanted extracurricular activities for college. Because I'm sure all of you know how hard it is to get into college these days. You have to freaking invent a cure to cancer or start a NGO in order to get into your dream college or actually any other college. Moreover, they are very expensive now. So I set out on MUN in order to improve my extracurricular activities because I realized I had none. And before that, I had taken a break from public speaking. I didn't do it after the pandemic. I kind of lost my voice, not literally, as in mentally. I never really spoke again. And that really, hurt me because I never tried anything again after the pandemic. I really gave up on all my hobbies. So I saw MUN as an opportunity to start public speaking again. I've been doing public speaking since KG2. So I thought, why not do it again? So I did my first seminar in my school and I really thought, wow, this is interesting. Why not do it again? And then again, and then again. And slowly I just fell in love with it. I just loved debating. I just loved listening to other people's opinions. I just loved learning new things and coming back from every MUN feeling energized and like refreshed because I wanted to be so disgustingly educated in this field that I genuinely wanted to shine. I just wanted to be there. I just wanted to talk to new people. I just wanted new friends. This is what drives me. This is what my passion is. And then I see people come and just be like, "Oh, are you winning best delegate? Oh, this, that." They only talk about awards, and that is what doesn't turns me off. That is what I don't like. The real purpose of MUN is to show that we care, is to show that we have passion, to talk about global issues, is to show that we are passionate about speaking, about listening, about debating. I really feel that that passion has almost disappeared now. I have found very few people with this fire inside, with this passion that I have for these conferences. I really find very less people like that. And it's very enlightening to sit down and have a conversation with such people because I really sometimes I feel that there are very few people like me who still actually care about these things. But when I find such people and I sit down and talk with them, it feels reassuring in a way. The point is, I miss MUN back in 2024. I miss when everyone didn't start doing MUN. I miss the old MUN. So if you do agree with me and do like what I had to say, please share your opinions in the comments. Tell me what you think. And yeah, like and subscribe. Is that what you say? I'm new to this thing. I've only ever seen YouTubers and influencers say like, subscribe, share. And I've never said it myself. I've always wanted to create videos about certain things that no one really talks about. And today I've done it. Today I've made a video. So cheers to me crossing boundaries. Cheers to me doing things that I was embarrassed about doing in the past. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.